Hi guys, it's me, Ailey. Today we're going to talk about this mechanical master 3-in-1 milk control. It's by Ciro and GP Toys. Guys, we're gonna build a toy, use the milk control to make it move. Let's open it up. Lots of pieces. This looks like the milk control. And some stickers and some directions. I have 3 different models you can make. We're going to make Model C. Let's make it. Guys, here's the car, all built. Here's Tyler. Oh, I'm so excited to try out this car. And we're in the basement. So cool. We're going to use the remote control to make the car zoom around. Okay, let's try it out. Wow, guys, we had so much fun playing with this car. It's so cool if you can make a toy and use its remote control to make it go. Thank you, Ciro, for sending me